Welcome to INS Creation Ltd, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, go to the element and give a keyword hexagonal frame. Let's take this frame, make it bigger and adjust it all over the page on upper side. And now go to the element and search for a picture for the frame. Take this picture and adjust it with the frame. Okay. Now go to the element and search for a hexagon shape. Let's take this shape, place it over the frame on same size and change the color on this reddish, or take this yellow color. Keep the transparency low so the picture is slightly visible. Then again take a hexagon frame, adjust it on the middle of the previous shapes and make it a 2 copies. Here is the 3 frames. Give the all 3 frames a border in white. Adjust the frames. Now let's search for a picture for the 3 frames. Now let's take a text box and type the text. Make a line spacing. Reduce the line spacing and go to the F and give the effect on the text and make them uppercase 2. Increase the border of the frames. Change the font style. Now take another text box and type our services. Change the color of services, and from the element let's take a line and place it under the services. Now go to the element and search for a marketing icon. Take a round shape, give it a color in a gradient shade of yellow and orange and place the icon over the shape. Now like this, search another icons like productivity. and creative ideas. Take a text box and type the services name, and take a text box, paste the dummy text under every services. Take a text box and type our objectives and paste the dummy text. Here under the main text, paste a dummy text, adjust the beside shape colors, change the color in orange, dark orange. Now go to the element and search for a marketing logo. Take this logo, change the color, take a text box and type the company name. Now go to the element and search for yellow gradient. Let's jump into the orange gradient. Let's take this gradient, make it smaller and adjust it under objectives. Keep the transparency low. Now take a text box and type call for services. Make it bigger, increase the font size and change the color. Now from the element search for a phone icon, change the color of the phone icon. Take a text box and type the phone number. Now go to the element and search for email icon, wave icon. Location icon. And a fax icon. Now adjust these 4 icons and take a text box and one by one type the addresses for this. Type all the addresses. Now adjust it. Now go to the element and search for a bottom designs. Take this design and change the color and adjust it like this. So here it is, a flyer design for a marketing company or agency. If you need this kind of design or any other design that you have, like a brochure design, flyer design, logo design, presentation design or report card design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Ltd.